Radixas, welcome to our Financial Facts channel. We Radixas will give you some valuable tips and tricks on how you can make yourself financially independent regardless of what you earn now and where you live now. In our previous video, we discussed 4 important financial tips on creating wealth. We are going to explain detail in this video. Number 1, diversified asset. Let me start with a quote. Don't put all eggs in one basket by Warren Buffett. Wealthiest people always have diversified assets like stock, bond, EFTs and real estate etc. Whereas the poor people don't diversified asset, they just think that buying a car or buying a house is an asset. Wealthiest people always have a financial plan and financial portfolio, whereas a poor don't know what is portfolio and how to make a financial plan. There is a famous quote by Albert Einstein. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Compound interest is the most powerful force in the universe. So the wealthy people invest their money to get compound the interest as their incremental asset, whereas poor people pay bank loan, credit card interest, etc. Number 2, difference between asset and collateral. The collateral, what I mean here is property, which is just equivalent to cash or depreciation property. To understand the difference between real asset and the money equivalent, if you own a car and if it doesn't give you any income on its own, then it's just a money equivalent, or in most of the cases, it's a depreciation. The car will reduce its value year on year as per the usage, mileage and condition. House is also just a money equivalent unless until it gives us a rental income. Whereas the real asset has to generate income to us on its own. For example, stock which pays dividend or bond which pays interest or real estate that pays rent, those are the real asset which will pay without any work on it. Number 3, difference between trading, investing and gambling. Most of the poor people doesn't know how trading and investment works. Now let me explain some basics. Trading is a short-term buying and selling stock for profit making, whereas investment is a buying stock for long-term gain. So trading is like you work for money which needs significant amount of work involved in buying and selling stock in short term, whereas investing is like money will work for you. If you invest one time, the interest and dividend will compound and give you a long-term gain without significant work involved in it. Gambling is completely different from investing and trading. While gambling, all odds are not on our side, whereas in investment, we analyze company's quality, history and growth, so all odds are on our side. Number 4, money spending habit. Doesn't matter how much you earn, if you're not getting at least 10% passive income from your total income you earned, then you're in the wrong path of spending and saving habit. There is a famous quote from Warren Buffett. Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. The wealthiest people never spend their income. They buy an asset from their income and spend from that interest. Thank you for listening. In our next video, we are going to discuss more about financial planning and portfolio management. Make sure to like and subscribe.